What's up on Power Addicts Crew? Today's video, we are working on half doors. Now, a few weeks ago, I released a video about working on the steel doors I have on this one. Well, the half door is actually coming off a rust bucket. And being that I'm not actually using them at the moment, I can tear them apart and do how-to videos on those just for you. But here's the way I'm going to do it. First video is going to be this one right here. I'm remove the door panel, how to reinstall it, because you got to do that. Then probably the interior door handle where you pull it to open the door, then the paddle, then the actual latching mechanism. Each one of those can be separate videos. Why? Because if I do them all as one video, it's going to make a very long video for you guys to be bored out of your skulls. Two, oftentimes whenever you're replacing parts in doors, you're not tearing the whole door apart just to replace an interior door handle or just to replace a latching mechanism. So it makes more sense to do different separate videos, so you guys have a great how-to scenario going on for your situation. I mean, again, you're not going to remove every single part inside the door to replace an outside paddle, you know? So, best way to do this is each one of them having their own video so you guys can get what you need. So everyone, if this is the first time you've hit Power Addicts YouTube video, be sure to hit that subscribe button, because I do Jeep videos, car videos, motorcycle videos, tool videos, review videos, all kinds of cool educational stuff. So if you have not hit that subscribe button, please do so now. Enough of the gabbing. Let's get on with this video. We need to remove the door panel. Start out with T25 Torx. Screw here, screw there. Take the door handle off. Well, you can see this one right here is pretty cooperative. This one was not. Looks like I'm gonna have some work to do to get that out of there. Oh well. And now to pry the door panel off. Got me a little trim tool here. Stick it under here, pry up. This side, over here. Then once you get them right there pulled up, or you can pull these out first, totally up to you which way you want to do it. Get your little trim tool, get it up underneath here, pry these up, pull them out. Ta-da! Now I got one here and one there. Get them out of there. Okay, I got a little bit ahead of myself. You do not need to pull this one out because it does not go through your door panel like these do. So that was good as is. Then what you got is way up inside there. Prop the camera. You see right there. You got some more of those Christmas tree clips. You got to pop them out. Now if you grab this and pull straight up, you're subject to break those. So you're going to try to get your tool up underneath there and try to pry them straight up so you don't break them. What you got is these little Christmas tree clips right here. You can see this one right here is broken. And the rest of it's up in there. Should be. Actually, it's done falling out. Anyway. This end right here, you get underneath that plastic. And it wedges under like that right there. Then you simply pry them up. You get the right position where you can. Let me zoom back a little bit. And that's what you got. You got these little serrations right here, these little fins that lock down inside that hole. And I pull one of the good ones out. You can see what a good one looks like with that top, the way they lock in. You can see the top of it there. And you see you got this little wing tab here. You kind of pull up and you catch this little wing tab on top of this right here, and as you rotate it, it kind of works it right out. So let's put it back in. I'll show you. Try to get a better angle on it for you. See? Put it in. Zoom back. So you pull back and pry back, kind of rotate back on it a little bit, rotate it until that lip right there sticking up. You pull back on it a little harder, twist. You twist it like this right here, it rotates them right out. And to put them back in, you would simply take the short side here, tuck it down inside there, rotate the other way. Ta-da! So simple. Now, if you break one of these, no big deal, because you can pick these up at any auto parts over the little help section, I guess they call it. We got the little spinny rotisserie thing that has all the little tiny bolts on it and such. More times than not, that's where you can find these replacements if you break some. So they're easy to get and they're very inexpensive. So if you break one, no stress. Now, I'm not going to go completely through the whole process of putting the door panel back on, but what I will say is that whenever you go to your first initial move to put them back on, you want to pick it up like this. If you see right there, that was pretty well lined up. So you just want to basically pick it up enough that you see the top ones line up, snap them in place first, then you'll set this down and visually look underneath here, like you see here, line those up here, so on, so on, so on as you go around there, and snap each one of them down as you work your way around the door, lining up the little Christmas tree clips and snapping them back in place. Once you've snapped all your clips in place, you put your door handle back on, and you have these in next, snap them in place. And that's how you remove and reinstall the interior door panel. Now, why'd you take it off? I don't know. Maybe you had the interior door latch was broke, you had to replace it, or maybe the latch that hits the striker button, you had to replace it, or maybe the paddle mechanism, you had to replace it. I don't know. But nonetheless, no matter what you do to the interior part of the door, you got to remove the panel. So now there's the video on how to do that and reinstall it. So if you learned a little something from that video, hit me with that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, leave me some cool comments down below, and there's more to come on that door. I'm going to show you guys how to remove and reinstall the interior door handle. You know, you pull it out to open the door, the latch mechanism, the paddle mechanism, all that stuff. I'm going to show you guys how to remove and reinstall all that, so that's upcoming videos. So, thumbs up if you like it, subscribe if you haven't, leave me some cool comments down below, and don't forget, share these things out. Share them out to your Reddit, your Twitter, your Facebook, wherever it is you share your social media. Share these videos out, because that helps spread the knowledge. When you spread the knowledge, you're helping other people. I'll create the videos. You guys share them out. It helps everyone. Cool? Cool. All right, everyone. Really appreciate you hanging out. Peace out. Later, y'all.